I mean, there's like 60% chance you got it. Which one? The one that you just got?
Keeping to myself and staying out the way. Always on my lonely cause I can't change. See how they talking and I'm outraged. Taking care of me, don't need a damn thing.
I've been living on an island too. I've been living on an island too. I've been living on an island too. I've been living on an island. Tell me, can we?
Shawty suck my dick, then I get lost in the abyss. I'm a quiet motherfucker, but I like to talk my shit. I'm off for shroom, I'm off for bean, I'm off a whole lot of shit. You could bet I'm in my head, but you could bet I'm in your bitch. Look, these niggas be my sons, without me they be done. Where the fuck would you get all your move up pictures from? That's why I been